Hey, this is Lee, and welcome to Hyperspeed 3D Printing. Today I recently found some files on Thingiverse which is called Wonder Woman. You get the bracelet thing what goes around your wrist, one what goes around your top arm, and the one what goes across your forehead. These files print out flat, which you'll have to heat treat yourself once printed out. They print out quite quickly anyway, so what I suggest is get yourself a glass jar and a small saucepan. Because the plastic's quite flexible, you just want something just to create that first basic shape on these files. And now on with the show. You'll see the pictures, and also I will be doing a show and tell about the other things, how I did these. At the moment we are printing Wonder Woman's tiara. It's a gold PLA, but it's like a old gold. This is the second part. I've already done the silver part. I've got one more gold part to do, and then I've got to form it with a hot air dryer around a piece of glass. A glass jar or something, so I can heat form it. You print these out flat. You can find the files on Thingiverse and try and print them out for yourself. Hope everybody's staying safe out there and keep social distancing. And if you haven't subscribed already to my YouTube channel, please head over to Hyperspeed 3D Printing and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the 3 new subscribers that's already headed over to my channel. This is the silver part that I printed out earlier on this week. It's in like a metallic silver, generic, no name PLA. This will have to be heat treated as well with a hot air dryer so it forms around the wrist. There's 2 versions to this. There's this one and a plain version, so I printed out this one because it's more detailed. The next one is a bangle that goes around the wrist onto this. The holes you see here for like Velcro straps to go around to hold it on. And to make it more protected, I would suggest that you put some foam around the back so it don't scratch your skin. Same goes for the headpiece, what goes on to your head. Get some thin foam so it's got something to rest against. Hope everybody's enjoyed my other videos that I've made on here. And thanks for all the views. As you've seen, the photos of the 3D printed parts, I am now going to show you the after effect after using hairdryer on hot mode. So keep your fingers away from these parts once you're bending them and shaping them to your arm. If something goes wrong, just reheat it and it should just melt back into place. Here's the wrist thing for Wonder Woman. I had to print it out in yellow because my goldy bronze PLA wasn't printing. It wasn't behaving quite well. This is yellow no name generic PLA. There's that one. This one fits on your top part of your wrist up here. I don't think it fits mine because my arms are too big. But all I suggested was just use a glass jar so you can just get this round shape, these print out flats. Then I did the same trick with this piece here. This is my no name generic silver PLA. You can get two different types. You can get a silver one, you can get gunmetal. You have to scale these up to your arms, so it's just a bit small for mine. I printed it out just to see what it looked like. So there's the first piece, and that's just a glass jar. So the holes there are for velcros to go in. You can also put some foam behind the back, just glue it in on the inside, a piece of foam, black foam, so it doesn't scratch your skin. You just scale it up to your wrist size, that size. So if you want it a bit longer, so kind of like double in length and a bit wider, just scale it up as you need it. This is the first piece I printed out in my gold bronze PLA, which was flat. This has also got the straps you can put on, which can go underneath your hair, and you just tie it on and then put it onto your forehead. Stick. There you go. This was just a small saucepan, so if your head's quite wide, just use the next saucepan up. So it got a bit of flex in it, so it'd be ideal for kids and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this show and tell of me printing out some Wonder Woman parts. So if you need it bigger, just print it a bit longer. So it's keep the Z height the same, and then just print it a bit longer, that extend it on the X or the Y, whichever dimension you're printing it on. Same with the silver thing for your wrist. If it just fits quite well, if you do a test file first and it fits quite well around your thin part of your wrist, but you need a bit longer, just increase it on the X or Y, whichever you've got on the bed, but keep the height just the same. You don't really need it that thick. So Hope you enjoy these 3D printed videos. There's a second one for today. If you've seen the first one, feel free to check out the rest of my YouTube videos. And don't forget to like, share all over the place. And thanks again for watching.